What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something quick and easy. We're going to be customizing this logo to look like this logo. So stick around. I've messed around with Plastidip a few times. This is Plastidip here. And I just did this, which is not perfect, but it looks a lot better. And I also did the pillars on the JK. Since it's dark in here. But usually these are all white. I just wanted to give it a different look. And so I did that, and that's all Plastidip. The good thing about Plastidip is I had a few chips here and there, and you can just touch it up. I taped it back off, sprayed it again, and it blended right in. So that's one thing that I like about it. If you're going to be dipping a whole big piece, that's different. But if you're doing this, we're going to get into this and show you how I did it. This will be my first time with a logo or lettering. It didn't turn out too bad. Not perfect. But like I said, it looks better than the other side. So let's get into it. So earlier on the other side, I taped this off and then took my cover and masked it off again, but we're going to try to do it without it this time around. I think it'll work pretty good. We just got to get it lined up. Pull too much. That'll do. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using. Just a regular can of Plastidip. I put 3 coats on the other side. I think I'm going to go with 5 on this side. The thicker, the better. And I did clean the surface before I started this. I should have showed you that. But yeah, the thicker you make it, I believe, it's just my theory, that the easier it's going to be to peel off. So let's try it out. You want a pretty good coat. Make sure you shake it good. About a medium coat. You don't want full coverage on the first coat. You're going to leave that and let that dry. Come back, add another coat. Alright, so I'm running out of daylight, so I took the hairdryer to it, and let's see what we got. So just peel it off a little bit, and anything at a seam, it's going to separate on its own, so you don't need to cut anything, you don't need to prep anything, you just got to peel it. Now I'm already seeing that the more coats the better, so my theory was right. Alright, so there it is. Definitely not perfect, but my first time doing logos, so of course it's going to take some practice. So if you want to be mediocre like me, go ahead and jump on it and do it your first time. But definitely trying to get some practice in on new projects pretty soon. So we're gonna wrap this up. I'm glad I made it before the sun goes down. So apparently I didn't save the last segment of the video, so I'm gonna close it out. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video.